In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money with Cashapp referrals. My name is Anthony Allen. Welcome here to my YouTube channel. I upload a variety of content surrounding three main niches: gaming, editing, and online money. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can earn money on Cashapp using Cashapp referrals. Make sure to watch this video all the way through until the end so you get all of the value that I'm giving to you here. Now it's time to teach you how to earn money with Cashapp using Cashapp referrals. You are going to be able to use this comment section on this video in order to gain referrals and get paid with Cashapp. But before I walk you through what you need to do so you can do that, I'm going to explain how Cashapp referrals work, because Cashapp have updated this because people were earning too much money too quickly with Cashapp using this method. It's that lucrative. So stay tuned to the end of the video. You don't want to miss the value that I'm giving here. So I'm on the Cashapp help page here. There are a few things they've changed because too many people were earning too much money too quickly using Cashapp and this method. Now, two things to mention that you can see here on this help page is that it's explaining how you generate your referral code. But I'm going to explain this further later on in this video, and how you can use the comment section of this video to earn more referrals. It also explains something really important. It explains the new rule, the new stipulation in order for you to get paid using referral codes. They've made it a little bit steeper, but with the comment section of this video, you won't have to explain anything at all because I've explained it in this video. Your friend will have 14 days from the date they have entered your reward code to send £50 from a newly linked debit card with Cashapp. Now, before I continue, if those of you who are watching don't have a debit card, visit my online money playlist here on this YouTube channel and you will be able to generate a debit card that you can use in Cashapp today. You will also be able to find yourself a bank account, a mobile bank account that you can open up straight from your phone today. So don't worry about that if you do not have a bank account or a debit card to link to Cashapp. I'm here to help, and of course that online money playlist has what you need for your money needs and fintech needs online. Now moving on. The newly linked debit card with Cashapp, either as a lump sum or multiple payments. At the end of 14 days, the bonus will expire. So in order for you and the person you have referred to earn the bonus money that is given to you, gifted to you in Cashapp, they will need to send £50 in the app using the debit card. Now, here's the cool part. If you have more than one phone in your household, or you own more than one phone, you will be able to send the money twice using a referral code. Also, if you have a group of friends, you then multiply the amount you are earning with Cashapp. Another really important thing to mention that states here is different territories will get a different amount for their bonus. For example, me here in the UK, although it initially says £5, I get £10 for each referral. That sends £50 to Cashapp. And it's that easy. When this video grows and you share your referral code in my comment section right here on this video, where you don't have to explain how this works because I've done it for you, people will be able to enter your referral code and send in app in order for you both to receive the bonus in Cashapp. Now that I've explained that, I'm going to show you in app exactly what to do and how to find your referral code so you can add it to this comment section and earn in Cashapp. So in Cashapp, you will need to press the profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. This will bring up your profile page. Scrolling down, you will see referral code just above sign out. We're going to select referral code now. This is where you will enter a referral code into Cashapp, so you can get that referral bonus for the person who has referred you, and of course so you can get that bonus first too. If you're the one entering the code into Cashapp, you will be the one who will need to send £50 via debit card over the course of 2 weeks for you both to receive the bonus. Back on your profile page, you will see invite friend and get £5. This may vary due to which location you are in. Could be £10. Now you can do this directly with your contacts in your mobile, but for now what I want you to do is select continue so you can gain access to that code and you can share it in this comment section and gain even more. This community here will be ready to use your referral code in this comment section, and therefore you won't have to go through the hard ache of having to explain Cashapp to a new user, and of course having to explain how this works, because I've already done that work for you here with this video. And there will be people looking for your referral code in this comment section. From here, I want you to select the share button at the top of the screen. It looks like an arrow coming out of a box. I want you to press this icon now. From here, you need to select copy, and this will copy your generated referral code message. Now you can't see this message, of course it's copied to the clipboard of your mobile phone. Just follow along and everything will be absolutely fine, and we'll get you this referral code bonus money. From here, you need to exit Cashapp and make your way to your messages, and this is where we're going to paste your referral message. Now we don't need the entire message, and we're not going to paste the link into the comment section of this video. What we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste the code, the referral code that is needed for your bonus referral. Once you have copied this, you want to make your way to my YouTube channel, and I will show you where to paste this referral code. On my YouTube channel, scroll down past the channel trailer, past the recent uploads, past the Fortnite Wins playlist, and you will find my online money playlist. Here you will find Cashapp videos, specifically this one as well, may I add. Of course it's not there yet because I haven't uploaded it yet, I'm still creating it. But in the comment section, if you select the comment section on a Cashapp video here on my YouTube channel, specifically this video too, you can paste your Cashapp code into the comment section. Then leave a nice message enticing the viewers to use your referral code that will be available for them to earn the Cashapp bonus. And of course, this video that you're watching right now will be a perfect lead generator for your Cashapp referrals. Why? Because I've already explained how this works, so the viewers will know exactly what to do with your referral code, and they will also understand what the referral code is and be waiting for your comment. Of course, you can do the same too. You can go through the comment section and you can find a referral code so you and the person you have referred will be able to earn. As well, you can leave a thumbs up on the comment to let the person who's commented know that you are using their referral code. Feel free to comment and talk to each other about the referral code comments that you're leaving here on this video. You can communicate with the people who are commenting on this YouTube video. Here's me giving an extra message along with my referral code, telling the person or the reader what they need to do in order to earn that bonus within Cashapp. This means that you can earn money within Cashapp simply by commenting here on my YouTube video. You will be earning 100% residual profit when you comment on my YouTube video in this way. Here is an example of how much you can earn by doing this in my comment section. Here is £640 from 64 people with one comment. You are more than welcome to do this in my comment section as many times as you like, when you like, and as often as you like. You can come back to my online money videos and you can comment this as the community grows, and you will be earning a tidy residual income just by simply commenting your referral code and the community already looking for your referral code in the comment section. This is brilliant, this is worthwhile, and that comment will continue to get views right here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. If you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you've seen the value, if you've soaked up that value and you've watched this far and you want to just get in touch with me in the comment section with any questions or just to say hi because you've enjoyed the video, then do that. I'm here, I'm active here on my YouTube channel, and there's more value that I will be giving to you. Let's keep that Cashapp server busy and let's make you a tidy residual income by commenting in the way that I've shown you here in this video and sharing this video to boost your earning potential right here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. Feel free to reach out to me with a screenshot of your Cashapp earnings after you have followed along with this video. I leave a business inquiry email at the bottom of the description of every video that I upload here to my YouTube channel. And with that said, I've got more content for you that you will find value in, and some of that content will be in the end screen in 3, 2, 1. I'll see you in the next video.